Hi techies! For today, I will show you how to create a shortened or tiny link. The reason why I'm doing this is because some social networking sites limits you on how much you can put on one post, such as Twitter. Now, by having a short link, you'll be able to write more or so easily for people to copy and paste shortened links. So, first of all, you need to set a link that you want to shorten. So, for this example, I'll be getting my 1 year YouTube videos link. So, I will pick this one. So, I'll copy the link here. Then I go to Bitly website. I would suggest mm, you create a free account for you to monitor your links. But I will show you the difference if you use with no account. So here it is, and this is my account. Then I'll simply paste it and then click the shorten button. There you go. We already had a shortened link. And now I will do the same with my free account. So it says here create your first link. So click this orange button here, create, and then paste the URL. There you go. So if you're using a free account, so you can personally organize your links. So you see the title here, you can add the title. And then save. By the way, you can customize back half, but I will not do that. Then when you see the left portion, it's already there. And then we will copy. And now we'll go to the new link and simply paste it. Then it redirects the page that you wanted to. Charan! So, wait. Okay. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you on my next video. God bless everyone.